Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Close Android Studio and copy the SDK folder to a backup location. This prevents data loss during tool updates and preserves custom platforms. Check your SDK path in Preferences or Settings under Appearance and Behavior. Note the path exactly. For example, /users, /u/ library /android /SDK, or C. /users /u /app data /local /android /SDK. Confirm available disk space is at least 2 GB before downloading updates. Also ensure you have a stable network connection for large package downloads. Finally, restart your computer if you recently installed system updates. Open Android Studio and choose Tools, then SDK Manager from the menu. Switch to the SDK Tools tab to view Platform Tools and Build Tools. Check boxes for Android SDK Platform Tools and Android SDK Tools to update. Also select Android SDK Command Line Tools if not already installed. Click Apply, then accept licenses to download and install updates automatically. Watch progress in the event log and wait until installation completes without errors. Restart Android Studio after the installer finishes to load updated components and tool paths. Open a terminal or command prompt inside the SDK Tools bin folder. Run SDK Manager Update to fetch and install the latest packages from Google's repository. If you need automation, run SDK Manager licenses and accept all required licenses for CI environments. Add the SDK Platform Tools path to your path environment variable for a DB and fast boot access. Verify updated versions using SDK Manager list and SDK Manager version commands. Finally, build a simple project to confirm compilation and emulator functionality work as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.